Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you an in-depth review of the Skytech Eclipse Lite gaming PC. This gaming desktop promises to deliver a powerful gaming experience in a compact and stylish package. If you're looking for a new gaming rig, you may check the link below for the best price available today. Let's dive into what makes the Skytech Eclipse Lite a standout choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. First off, let's talk about the design. The Skytech Eclipse Lite gaming PC features a sleek and modern design that will fit seamlessly into any gaming setup. Its compact form factor is perfect for those who need a powerful machine but are limited on space. The case is constructed with high-quality materials and includes tempered glass panels on the sides, allowing you to showcase the impressive internals. The RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization, making your gaming setup look even more stylish and dynamic. Now, let's move on to the performance. The Skytech Eclipse Lite is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor, which provides incredible processing power for all your gaming and multitasking needs. This processor ensures smooth and responsive performance, whether you're playing the latest AAA titles, streaming, or running multiple applications simultaneously. Paired with the NVIDIA Geforce GTX 1660 Super Graphics card, this desktop delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay for an immersive gaming experience. The Eclipse Lite also comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring fast and efficient multitasking. This ample memory allows you to run multiple applications at once without any lag, making it perfect for both gaming and productivity tasks. The 500 GB NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast storage, ensuring quick boot times and rapid game load times. This combination of powerful hardware ensures that you can enjoy a seamless and responsive gaming experience. One of the standout features of the Skytech Eclipse Lite is its cooling system. The desktop is equipped with an efficient cooling solution that includes multiple fans and optimized airflow design. This ensures that the system remains cool and stable even during intense gaming sessions. The cooling system dynamically adjusts fan speeds based on the system's temperature, providing optimal cooling while minimizing noise. This keeps the system running at peak performance and extends the lifespan of the components. The Skytech Eclipse Lite also excels in connectivity options. The desktop includes multiple USB ports, including USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, providing versatile connectivity for all your peripherals and displays. The high-speed Ethernet port ensures a stable and fast internet connection, while the built-in Wi-Fi support provides wireless connectivity for a clutter-free setup. The extensive connectivity options make it easy to integrate the Eclipse Lite into your existing gaming setup. In terms of audio, the Eclipse Lite is equipped with high-quality audio components that deliver immersive sound. The desktop features 7.1 channel surround sound, providing rich and detailed audio for an enhanced gaming experience. Whether you're playing games, watching movies, or listening to music, the Eclipse Lite delivers an exceptional audio experience that complements the stunning visuals. The Eclipse Lite is also designed with user convenience in mind. The desktop includes easy access ports in a toolless design, allowing for quick and hassle-free upgrades. The customizable RGB lighting can be controlled using software, allowing you to synchronize the lighting with your other RGB-compatible devices. This adds a personal touch to your gaming setup and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. Another great feature of the Eclipse Lite is its robust security options. The desktop includes multiple security features, such as password protection and secure boot, ensuring that your system and data remain safe and secure. The desktop also comes with pre-installed software for system monitoring and performance tuning, providing a centralized interface for managing your gaming PC. In conclusion, the Skytech Eclipse Lite gaming PC is an outstanding choice for gamers looking to enhance their gaming experience. Its sleek design, powerful hardware, efficient cooling system, and versatile connectivity make it a top-tier gaming desktop that delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports player, the Eclipse Lite has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.